Ever feel wired but tired, anxious for no reason, or stuck in overdrive? This video is your nervous system reset button. On today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm breaking down the most overlooked system in your body and sharing how to reset, heal, and regulate your nervous system. So I've been using these simple techniques to help regulate my own nervous system to reduce anxiety, and they made a big difference in my journey to feel better every day. And to save you time, I've included timestamps to all the sections in the description below. But I do recommend you watch it all the way through because there's lots of gold nuggets here. Nervous system anatomy and physiology. So before we fix your nervous system, let's break it down into simple terms that even a 5-year-old can understand. Your nervous system's primary function is to act as your body's messaging system. So it helps your brain talk to the rest of your body so you can move, feel, and react quickly to what's happening around you. The two main parts of the nervous system include the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And the three main organs of the nervous system include the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. So the brain and the spinal cord serve as the control center, while the nerves act like the highways carrying the messages between the central nervous system and the rest of your body. So your nervous system tells your muscles to move, your heart to beat, and your body to chill or react. For example, if you touch something hot, boom, your nervous system sends an instant signal to pull your hand away. That's your nervous system in action. Sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. What is the difference? Is your body stuck in overdrive? Here's why. Think of your nervous system like a car with two pedals. The sympathetic nervous system is the gas. It revs you up when you're stressed or in danger. When you feel anxious, your brain thinks there's a threat, even if it's just a stressful meeting or a social situation. This causes your heart rate to race, breathing gets faster, your muscles get tense, and for me, the underarm anxiety sweating begins. That triggers your sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight response, which then sends signals to your sweat glands, especially in places like your armpits. It does this because your body is trying to cool itself down in case you need to run or fight. However, you don't need to fight your sweat. You need to calm the system causing it. Now, the parasympathetic nervous system is the brake. It slows you down. That's your rest and digest mode. So this causes your heart rate to lower. Your breathing deepens and digestion kicks in. This is when your body feels safe and calm again. Think of the sympathetic nervous system as it gets your body ready to take action, while the parasympathetic nervous system helps you relax, recover, and digest. So you need both to stay balanced, but the problem is most people are stuck with an overactive sympathetic nervous system where the gas pedal is pressed all day, every day. Nervous system dysregulation disorders. So if your brain won't shut off or your chest feels tight, this could be a sign your nervous system is stuck in anxiety mode, also called nervous system dysregulation. So nervous system disorders are medical conditions that negatively impact the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. A lot of guys just think it's stress or burnout, but if you're struggling with an anxiety disorder, your nervous system is trapped in fight or flight. Here are the 6 most common symptoms of a dysregulated nervous system. Number 1, racing thoughts or nonstop worrying. Number 2, tight chest, rapid heartbeat, or shallow breathing. Number 3, tension in your jaw, your neck, and your shoulder muscles. Number 4, digestive issues like bloating and nausea. Number 5, trouble falling asleep or staying asleep. And number 6, mood swings, always feeling reactive, you can't sit still, and you're snapping at people or you're just zoning out. But here's the good news. You can heal your nervous system with movement, breath, and daily habits that support nervous system health. Nervous system reset versus nervous system regulation. What's the difference? So if you're only calming down when you're freaking out, you're missing half the picture. A nervous system reset is like an emergency brake. You use it when your system is overwhelmed and stuck in stress, anxiety, or burnout mode. This is the time to tell your nervous system, hey, you're safe now. Now, nervous system regulation, on the other hand, is about implementing consistent practices to regulate your nervous system over the long term. It's training your body daily with healthy habits to consistently stay balanced rather than overreacting to every little thing. Think of it as your steering wheel. It's how you build control over time. So you need both. Your nervous system reset equals immediate relief, and nervous system regulation equals resilient baseline to stay calm, not just get calm. Nervous system reset techniques for an immediate fix. So ever feel like your brain is in overdrive? You're overthinking everything and your body can't chill out? This is when you need a quick nervous system reset to stop your stress. A nervous system reset is what you do in the moment when you're anxious, you're overstimulated, or tense. Just like your phone needs a reboot, your nervous system does too. The next time you find yourself in a moment of anxiety, overstimulation, or stuck in fight or flight, try these 4 actions to reset your nervous system in 30 seconds. Number 1, cold exposure. So take a cold shower or splash cold water on your face. Number 2, deep belly box breathing. So inhale and fill your belly for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, then exhale for 4 seconds, and then hold it for 4 seconds again, then repeat. Number 3, grounding. Go for a walk barefoot on grass and breathe in nature for 2 minutes without your phone. And number 4, nervous system reset meditation. So listen to a guided nervous system reset meditation while lying on your back with your legs up a wall to calm your mind. Think of this as your emergency toolkit to quickly shift gears from chaos to calm. Nervous system regulation exercises for long-term balance. Quick fixes are great, but what if you could stay calm no matter what? So resetting your nervous system is like rebooting your phone. Nervous system regulation is like upgrading the software so it runs smoother all the time. When you have nervous system regulation, you stay calm, grounded, and focused even in chaos. So just like consistently training your muscles to get stronger, you can train your nervous system to be more resilient and calm. So try these 8 nervous system regulation exercises. Number 1, deep diaphragmatic breathing. So here's what it does. It activates the calming parasympathetic system by sending a message to your body, you're safe and you can relax. So here's how to do it. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds and expand your belly. Then exhale slowly for 6 to 8 seconds. Do it for 2 to 5 minutes daily, especially after workouts or before bed. Number 2, the 4-4-4-4 box breathing. This is great for regulating heart rate and clearing mental clutter. Here's how to do it. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, then hold for 4 seconds. Repeat for 4 to 6 rounds. Number 3, cold exposure. So cold showers, cold water face plunges, or splashing cold water on your face helps reset the vagus nerve by activating the rest and digest calming parasympathetic system. And it teaches your body to stay calm under stress. So here's what I do. I perform 2 15-second cold water face plunges in the morning. And then I do a 2-minute cold shower at the end of my hot shower. Number 4, barefoot grounding walks for a digital detox. So go for a slow walk outdoors without your phone or headphones to help calm your sensory system and reconnect you to your body. Focus on your breath and your feet hitting the ground because this combination of movement and fresh air is a natural nervous system regulation. Number 5, nervous system reset meditation frequency music. So listen to a guided nervous system reset meditation at a 528 hertz frequency, and then lie on your back with your legs up a wall to calm your mind. Number 6, resistance training. So not just for gains, lifting weights burns off excess stress and adrenaline. It boosts the feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin and builds emotional resilience. So focus on controlled tempo and breathing between sets. Number 7, the vagus nerve stimulation technique. So the vagus nerve carries calming signals between your brain and your body, and it can be stimulated by humming, gargling, cold exposure, or deep singing. So these techniques stimulate the vagus nerve, which helps regulate your parasympathetic response. And number 8, mindful movement, like yoga or mobility drills. So slow, intentional movement reduces overstimulation and teaches body awareness. It's great for post-workout or during morning routines. So this isn't just about calming down once. It's training your nervous system to stay calm and bounce back faster over time. And these nervous system regulation techniques will help your system stay grounded even in chaos. Nervous system healing. Here are 3 signs your nervous system is actually healing, even if progress feels slow. Number 1, you're sleeping better. Number 2, you feel calm without trying. And number 3, you're not snapping over small things. Healing your nervous system takes time, but with every breath, every walk, and every weight lifted is a step towards a more calm and regulated nervous system. Question of the day. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to stress relief habit, and does it actually help you feel better? If this video helped you understand your nervous system better, give it a big thumbs up and tap that subscribe button with the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss a new episode. We're on a mission to transform 1 million lives, and I want you on the team. We have new content that drops every week that's designed to help you boost your energy, rebuild your confidence, and live lean for life. To continue your journey, go check out this video right down here where I share 10 tips on how to get more deep sleep naturally. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.